Kill switch.
The game begins now. Rules of the game are gonna change.
Kill switch.
The game begins now. Rules of the game.
Initiating data stream. Welcome to the Training Simulator data stream. This program was designed to gauge neural link compatibility between mission control...
Training sim, huh? Yeah, I thought I was working with a professional.
You're only human.
Why do you need me then?
You're gonna utilize your talent in an entirely different manner than you were expecting.
That explains the complicated setup.
Oh, it's a hint of things to come. The rules of the game are gonna change. The tech you'll be using on the field is a prototype. If you can handle it, and by that I mean control it, you'll have the job.
Let's get the party started then.
Firing. Position the aiming reticle over the target. Now fire your weapon. Notice the recoil? Remember, use short controlled bursts. Lay on the trigger too long, you'll end up shooting the ceiling. Try to destroy these targets. Proceed to the next area. Grenade throwing. Let's see how well you can handle a grenade. Try throwing a single grenade into each container. If you run out of grenades, there are more on the table. You can throw grenades over long distances, or you can toss them out in front of you. Some grenades have an effective kill radius of 8 meters. Action. You may need to interact with a number of different things on the field. For example, enemy weapon emplacements. Move to the turret up ahead. Use it to take out the targets. Proceed to the next area. Welcome to the intermediate course. Make your way to the end. Take out as many targets as you can before the timer expires. Average. You should be able to do better than that. Please proceed to the next area. We are going to measure how many targets you can destroy while circling them. You will have 15 seconds. Mediocre. Mediocrity is what separates a good soldier from a dead one. Please do better on the field. Proceed to the next area. Some of your weapons have a scope or zoom ability. Remember, you need an unobstructed view in order to see through the sight, but that's just common sense. To the next area. Welcome to the advanced course. The course was designed to reinforce the fact that one might forget. The operatives are not superhuman. Bullets can kill. The environment can be used to your advantage. Utilize the terrain. Take cover. Take aim. Take over. Remember that, then you'll do well.
Everything look good on your end? Am I a player?
You tell me. You're the one at the controls.
I could get used to this. And by that I mean, we're good.
That's all I wanted to hear. Congratulations. You're hired. Welcome to the future.
Say my name. Got a lock on him. Signal's pretty weak. Uploading the breaker. Oh, damn it. Losing the connection.
Initiating data stream.
Base, this is Control. I'm in position. Do you copy?
Loud and clear. Visual and audio streams are coming through fine. Any problems on your end?
I get a slight buzz in my head every now and then. Must be the neural link.
That should pass in time. Still, we'll have it looked at when you get back. Now on to business. You're to locate the General. He requires some convincing.
You want me to use harsh language?
Oh, your actions will do the talking. Transmitting orders now.
Time to start the violence.
Hey, your gun loaded? Over here! Open your eyes! He's right in front of you! Take cover! Contact! Take cover! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! You idiot, go! Open your eyes! He's right in front of you! Open your eyes! He's right in front of you!
Base, this is Control. I'm in position. Do you copy?
Loud and clear. Visual and audio streams are coming through fine. Any problems on your end?
I get a slight buzz in my head every now and then. Must be the neural link.
That should pass in time. Still, we'll have it looked at when you get back. Now on to business. You're to locate the General. He requires some convincing.
You want me to use harsh language?
Oh, your actions will do the talking. Transmitting orders now.
Time to start the violence.
Hey, your gun loaded?
I think so. Why?
Because...